It barely makes it bearable, but bearable nonetheless. I only ever enjoyed you when we were in a mess. Needles on the draining board and Dettol on your wrist. Meals before slow, empty bottles pissed. Roll up receipts to unroll. We're gonna need that dough. I'm a nitrite, whoa. If you hit me hard. Orange stars and speckled doves. Lucy was in the sky, but I was in the palm of your hand, pixelated. Pipes, knives, and beehives for the honey in your tea. Crack on the pavement till we were like rag dolls, with icky-like indecision careering around inside us, as we rummaged through old pockets, drawers, ashtrays, and even old school bags to try to find something to keep the buzz alive and the birds at bay, but more importantly, to avoid sobriety with you. I think it's time to leave, else I'll die for my love for you. By the way.